The year was 1997. I moved to the Kitsap Peninsula from a place where massive clouds rolling in from the west brought heavy rain and often lightning and thunder. But I couldn't read the weather patterns in our new place. I looked up from my garden chores and saw a billowy gray mass of storm clouds gathering and heading down the Olympic Mountains to the west. Only minutes before the rain hit, I scrambled, tossed my garden tools into the cart, and wheeled them under the woodshed's roof. "Hold off," I said, raising my hand to the western sky. Then I laughed, as if I could prevent massive clouds from delivering their package. Miraculously, the clouds parted and went around me. The sky opened to blue and the sun peeked out. "Thank you." I grabbed my tools and returned to work, hoeing and weeding, cultivating the rich, deep soil full of earthworms where I put the compost pile. An hour passed when I heard another fat raindrop plop onto the freshly dug soft soil. The smell of ozone permeated the air. I threw my tools back into the cart and quickly wheeled them under the woodshed. I raised my hand once again to the western sky, thinking, well, it worked once before. "Hold off," I said, holding my hand up to the threatening clouds. Once again, the clouds began to lighten. They obeyed, parted to either side, and the sun popped out. Today is magical. I returned to work, amused with how I could make clouds part and bring forth magical, sparkling beams. And then the inner voice began. "Okay, Debbie, you live in the rain shadow now. This isn't a miracle, it's just how the weather works here. And the sparkling beings are only raindrops mixed with sunlight." As I toiled, I convinced myself I had created this weather to complete my work. But why did I always have to be logical? It's much more fun to imagine conjuring up sunshine and sparkly beings. I winked at the sparkles around me. "I see you," I say. "You make my garden grow." As I worked, I whispered to all the seen and unseen beings that moved around the garden. I continued my work and didn't notice when the sky turned dark. I looked up and felt the drop hit my face. The clouds opened their cargo doors and dumped their package within seconds. I gave in, turned my face upwards, and the rain washed over me. One moment I was dry, the next I was drenched. "You caught me off guard this time." I smiled at the thought of clouds sneaking in, hoping they wouldn't get caught. "There won't be a next time, so lighten up, will ya?" The rain lightened to a slow, steady rain. "Can we do better than this?" The clouds complied and turned from rain to drizzle. Wow, weather that listens. Soaked to the skin, I felt cleansed in spirit. I loved playing with the clouds. Now would be a good time for a rainbow.